It is 2022 and earning money online has never been easier. There are a number of ways to earn money online, but most of them require a considerable amount of time and experience. Though there are people with the right amount of experience and skill sets to carry out all those difficult jobs, not everybody has such experience, and almost everyone wants to earn money. So what if I tell you that you can earn up to $400 per day just by typing names online? Isn't that awesome? Do you want to know how it works? Let me give you an example. When you type a name, say for example, David, you are paid money. When you write more names like Jennifer or Lucas, you are paid more and more money. When you type one page of names, you get $15. When you type 5 pages, you get $75, and so on. There is no limit to that. This great opportunity is available to people all over the world and is completely free. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. When you see this calculator, you can actually calculate how much money you can earn while typing names. As you can see, this page has 300 words, and you can get up to 5 cents per word. As an example, this page has 300 names in it, and each name will be paid accordingly. You can see that you can get paid $15 per page by scrolling down this page. This is a brilliant earning opportunity for everyone. If you can type 20 pages, you can easily earn up to $300 per day. First of all, we need to open this website called talentdesire.com to earn money for free from anywhere in the world. You do not need any investment or any money to get started. If you look at the website, they offer different opportunities to work from home. They offer jobs like online proofreading jobs, freelance writing, blog writing, typing jobs, and online paid surveys. But in this video, we are going to focus on typing jobs. This is something you can do on this website and requires no experience and tech skills. Now, let's take a look at these online typing jobs. You can earn from $13,000 to $27,000 per year. It's actually a brilliant opportunity for people of any country in the world. There are no registration fees or any hidden cards, and no investment is demanded at any stage of your registration. It is completely free. As you can see in this table, you'll be paid accordingly to your level of expertise. It ranges from beginners all the way to the experts. Now listen carefully. The tip I will give you now will help you earn a higher rate. I will show the strategy about getting paid as an expert while just being a beginner, and no other person would know about this. Now, I will give you a tip to know how to make your earning even more as a beginner. Firstly, I want you to go to a website called ratatype.com, and you must take a typing test here. This speed test will give you a completely free certificate. If you have a typing certificate, it will boost your income and your earning rate per page. If you aim to get $15 for every page you type, make sure you get this certificate. And this is the secret to getting paid highly as a beginner. Because even if you're completely new and know nothing about writing or freelancing, you will get accepted much quicker because of this certificate, and you can get unlimited job opportunities. This will help you get $300 or even $400 per day simply by typing names. Keep watching this video to know exactly how to make $400 per day on talentdesire.com. As you can see on ratatype.com, you must type words quickly and accurately. You will need to have an accuracy of about 98%. The higher your accuracy, the more money you will make by taking the certificate from the website. This is a way by which you can tell the website about your efficiency and earn more money. Right now, I will show you how to take this test and take the certificate for free. When you take the test, you will get your result instantly. And if you do not score high, do not worry, because you can retake the test completely free until you get a higher speed and a higher accuracy. You need to sign up for a completely free website. Once you sign up with your name, email, and password, you'll be logged into your new account. As you log into your account, you can see your name on the top right here. Now, if you scroll down a little to the right, you can see your certificate with your name, score, and a signature of Ratatype on it. This certificate is very necessary for making more money in a day. Below the certificate, you can see a print button. Click on this button and you will be able to save this image or even a PDF file. You can do this on your mobile and your computer as well. Now, I want you to open talentdesire.com. Scroll down to the bottom of this website and click on the red button which says Apply Now. And then, you'll be directed to a page where you can apply for your desired job. This is the most important part of this video. Pay close attention to this video because the registration part is very hidden on this website, and you can get lost if you do not pay close attention to this video. Once you are on the page, scroll down and click on the red link. Select an application form. Then you'll be gone to this page where you can apply for online work at home jobs. Scroll down below and click on this red link which says fill in your details to apply and work with us. If you cannot find the application, please watch the video once again. Or if you want to watch it later, save it to your playlist. Now back to the registration form. You first need to accept the privacy and policy and then fill in your personal details. Put your name, last name, email address, and contact information. Then click on the list of countries to find out your country. You can see that they are accepting people from all over the world like Pakistan, India, Canada, New Zealand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and many more. Now, I would like you to do me a favor and comment on your country so I can make more videos like this for you. The next step is all about your professional information, and it is a very important step. Many people make mistakes in this step. Type in online job typing in the job typing section, and it is very important to do it just like this, and then choose the best time for you. You can choose whatever time you want, but I want you to select all day. This is going to give you more opportunities and more jobs, which in turn will lead you to earn more money. Then, there are several ways for you to receive money. Click on this, and you can choose from PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and Wire Transfer. Further down, scrolling will lead you to choose your current status, and I chose self-employed. After this, accept all terms and agreements and put your signature. Write your full name in the signature box and verify that you are a human by clicking on the CAPTCHA and clicking on the submit. And just like that, you can begin receiving the typing name jobs. Make sure to submit your work on time to continue receiving more and more jobs. That is it for today's video. We explained in detail how you could earn a handsome living just by typing names. Your income depends on how much time you dedicate to your work and your typing speed, but you can easily earn up to $450 every single day. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we post a video. Give this video a big thumbs up. We will come back with another video. See you then later.